Space, the final frontier, a vast uncharted expanse that has always captured the human imagination. It's been the stuff of dreams for centuries. From the earliest astronomers who peered through rudimentary telescopes to modern-day stargazers, the allure of the cosmos has been irresistible. We've gazed at the stars, wondered about life beyond Earth, and imagined ourselves walking on other planets. The moon landing was just the beginning, a small step that ignited our collective imagination. That dream is closer than ever. With advancements in technology, what once seemed like science fiction is now within our grasp. Rockets are more powerful, spacecraft more advanced, and our ambitions boundless. Space tourism is no longer science fiction, it's becoming a reality. Companies are now offering the chance to experience zero gravity, to see Earth from space and to be part of a new era of exploration. Buckle up, space cadets. We're going on a journey to explore the potential of Martian vacations. Imagine setting foot on the red planet, exploring its rugged terrain and experiencing a sunset like no other. Is Mars the ultimate travel destination? Let's find out. With plans for colonies and sustainable living, Mars could be the next big leap for humanity. Remember that cheesy line, "Beam me up, Scotty"? It captured our dreams of instant travel and exploration. We might need a bigger transporter for this one. As we stand on the brink of a new era, the final frontier beckons us to explore, to dream, and to reach for the stars. Right now, a few companies are leading the charge in space tourism. You've got Elon Musk with SpaceX, Sir Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic, and Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin. They're like the rock stars of the cosmos, each with their own unique approach to making space accessible. Imagine a future where your travel agent offers you a trip to orbit alongside your usual beach vacation packages. It's closer than you think. Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are already offering suborbital flights. It's a taste of space, a quick up-and-down adventure with breathtaking views and a few minutes of weightlessness. Imagine the Instagram posts. These flights are just the beginning. They're paving the way for more ambitious space tourism ventures. Think of them as the appetizers before the main course, a trip to Mars. SpaceX is playing the long game. Their sights are set on Mars, with the goal of establishing a permanent human presence on the red planet. Their Starship rocket is being designed to transport humans to Mars and beyond. It's a bold ambition that could change the course of human history. Imagine humans becoming a multi-planetary species. The journey to Mars is filled with challenges, but the potential rewards are immense. From scientific discoveries to new frontiers, SpaceX is paving the way for humanity's next giant leap. The dream of reaching Mars is closer than ever before. We are on the verge of a new era in space exploration. The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. The challenges of reaching Mars are significant, from the technical hurdles to the physiological effects of space travel, but the human spirit is indomitable. We've overcome challenges throughout history. We can overcome these too. Her words echo the sentiment of many in the space community. The journey to Mars will be arduous, but the rewards could be immeasurable. Mars is our closest planetary neighbour. Well, sort of. It's still a long way off, about 140 million miles on average. That's like driving around the Earth over 5,000 times. Right now, we're exploring Mars with rovers like Perseverance. It's sending back incredible data and stunning images. It's even making oxygen from the Martian atmosphere. Talk about resourceful. But rovers are just the scouts. We need human explorers on Mars to truly understand its secrets. Imagine a future where we have bases on Mars, with humans living and working there. This could be the next giant leap for mankind, opening up new frontiers for exploration and discovery. Now, let's talk about vacationing on Mars. Imagine packing your bags, saying goodbye to Earth, and setting off on an interplanetary adventure. Sounds thrilling, right? But hold on, it's not as simple as it sounds. It's not going to be your typical getaway. Forget sandy beaches and tropical breezes. Mars offers a completely different experience. For starters, the weather is abysmal. Mars is notorious for its extreme weather conditions. Think freezing temperatures, dust storms that can engulf the entire planet, and an atmosphere so thin you'd need a spacesuit just to step outside. The average temperature on Mars is around -80 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can drop even lower at night. And then there's the gravity. Mars' gravity is only about 38% of Earth's, so you'll feel much lighter. This might sound fun at first, but it comes with its own set of challenges. It's about 38% of Earth's, so you'll feel much lighter. This reduced gravity affects everything from how you move to how your body functions. Fun for a little while, but imagine trying to play basketball on Mars. The reduced gravity would make every jump feel like you're on a trampoline. You'd be dunking all day long. While it might be amusing at first, it could quickly become exhausting and even disorienting. Of course, you'd also need a pressurized, oxygenated basketball court and a basketball suit. These specialized facilities would be essential for any recreational activities. Let's not forget the radiation. Mars lacks a strong magnetic field, which means it doesn't have the same protection from the cosmic and solar radiation that Earth does. Mars has a weak magnetic field, so you'd be exposed to higher levels of radiation from the sun. Pack your sunscreen. But not just any sunscreen. Actually, make that industrial-strength, lead-lined sunscreen. And even that might not be enough. You'd likely need to wear protective suits to shield yourself from harmful radiation. So, while the idea of a Martian getaway sounds exciting, it's fraught with challenges that make it far from a typical vacation. From extreme weather and low gravity to radiation exposure, a trip to Mars would require careful planning and preparation. But for those adventurous enough to take on these challenges, the rewards could be out of this world. To live on Mars, we'd need to create self-sustaining habitats. Think futuristic domes, underground bunkers, or even 3D printed structures using Martian soil. We'd need to grow our own food, generate our own oxygen, and recycle everything. It'll be like living in a giant high-tech terrarium. Now let's talk about the price and timeline for making these Martian dreams a reality. The cost of space tourism is currently high, but prices are expected to drop as technology advances. Companies are working tirelessly to make space travel more affordable and accessible for the average person. The timeline for regular space tourism is still uncertain, but optimistic projections suggest it could become a reality within the next decade. Imagine within our lifetimes the possibility of booking a ticket to Mars just as easily as booking a flight to another country. As technology evolves and competition increases, the dream of setting foot on Martian soil becomes more achievable. While the journey may be long and the obstacles many, the potential rewards are immense. So as we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, keep your eyes on the horizon. The stars are no longer just out of reach, they're becoming destinations. Space tourism is in its infancy, but it's an industry with boundless potential. Will we be vacationing on Mars in our lifetime? It's hard to say for sure, but one thing is certain. Humanity's journey into space is only just beginning. So keep looking up at the stars, my friends. The future of space exploration is bright, and it's full of wonder. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be sipping Martian margaritas on the beach, under a red sky.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.